Here we are again, at that magical turning point in the year when winter finally loses its grip and the first signs of spring emerge. It's an exciting time in the garden, full of promise and fresh beginnings. I mean, just look at these crocuses, pushing through the soil, defying the cold. Their jewel-toned petals, purples, yellows and whites, are like little bursts of sunshine on the ground. And they remind us that nature is waking up, slowly but surely. And then there are the primroses, delicate, cheerful and full of life. These little beauties thrive in the cool, damp air of early spring, brightening up borders, woodland edges and even the shadiest corners of the garden. And of course, what would early spring be without daffodils? The golden trumpets are the true heralds of the season, standing tall and proud, bringing warmth and joy after the long grey months of winter. And whether they're the classic yellow varieties or the more delicate creams and oranges, daffodils are the symbol of renewal and resilience. And these first flowers of the season are more than just a pretty sight. They're a signal, a whisper of what's to come. And the garden is stirring, and soon everything will burst into life. So just take a moment, step outside and soak it all in. Spring is arriving, and this is just the beginning.